Hi, this is Tom. I will show you how to create virtual machine Linux Ubuntu in VMware Workstation Player. So let's fire up Workstation Player. Right click Home, create a new virtual machine. Find the ISO file. You need to download it from the official website. The link is in the description. So the software automatically detected operating system. That's good. Let's click Next. Yeah, you need to fill out the form. My full name is Tom. Username will be Tom. And password is secret. Literally. Okay. 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 Oh, wrong button. We can download and install VMware tools for it should make things smoother. Better support. Already. So let's go full screen. So you can pick if you want normal installation with web browser utilities, office software, games, players, or minimal. I need minimal installation. You can download updates or not. I will not. And you can install third-party software. I will do that. Let's continue. It's pretty straightforward. The installation will do its thing. We will wait a little. You can use this virtual machine for many things. It's free, you don't have to pay for it like for Windows license.
5 minutes later.
Cool. My secret password. And I'm in. You can tweak the settings if you want. You can add more memory, processors. Boom. The machine should be faster now. And that's all there is to it. have clean system.